Good morning students. Today we will study about compound NaHCO3. The chemical name of NaHCO3 is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or you can also write sodium bicarbonate. Common name is baking soda. Physical properties: it is white crystalline solid, that is it is in crystalline form. It is stable in air. It is sparingly or mild, or you can say slightly soluble in water. Then reaction with water: it is sparingly soluble, that we know that when sodium bicarbonate reacts with water, there is formation of base, that is strong base, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is formed plus carbonic acid H2CO3. This is a weak acid. This is a combination of water plus carbon dioxide is formed. Another method you can also write if it is asked: sodium carbonate when reacts with carbon dioxide and water, actually this reaction is in equilibrium, then two molecules of sodium hydrogen carbonate are formed. Then preparation, you can write this in preparation, and one more method that is given in your book in 10th. That is, when sodium chloride reacts with water plus carbon dioxide and ammonia gases pass through it, then ammonium chloride NH4, this is 4, NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, plus NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, is formed. Then reaction with acid. Earlier we have already discussed about it, that how metal carbonates react with acid. So when sodium hydrogen carbonates reacts with acid, here H positive is from acid. If you are taking HCl, then from HCl. If you are taking sulfuric acid, then from H positive from sulfuric acid. Then the sodium salt of acid, it means which acid you are taking, the salt of that is sodium salt of that acid will be formed here. Suppose we are taking HCl, then NaCl will be formed here, plus H2O plus CO2. Now what is the relevance of this chemical equation? We know that we use baking powder for making some recipes, for example cake, bread, pakoras, etc. Then why that becomes spongy, or you can say that why they become soft when you add baking powder? Actually baking powder is mixture of baking soda, and baking soda is mixed with a mild edible acid, and that acid is tartaric acid. Okay, so when sodium bicarbonate reacts with acid, then there is formation of carbon dioxide also, and because of this carbon dioxide, bread or the cake becomes soft and spongy. Then another use of this is that you can use sodium bicarbonate as fire extinguisher. Actually in that cylinder there is sodium carbonate and HCl is present, and when that cylinder is stirred, then reaction occurs and carbon dioxide is formed, and we know that the carbon dioxide doesn't support the fire, so it can also be used as fire extinguisher. Then other use of this is it is also used as effervescent, in effervescent drinks carbon dioxide is used. For example in soda bottles, some tingling sensation is because of the presence of the carbon dioxide that is added under high pressure. Then another use is in volumetric analysis it is used in laboratories. So it was all about sodium bicarbonate. Thank you and have a nice day.